Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. We are the Group 6 MAPE, and we are going to be reporting about the global health initiatives, starting with the global health.
The Global Health Initiatives, or GHIs, are coordinated efforts often involving governments, international organizations, academic institutions, and private sector partners, aimed at improving health outcomes across countries, particularly in low and middle income regions. These initiatives address infectious diseases, non-communicable diseases, maternal and child health, health system strengthening, emergency response, and universal health coverage. Next slide. The MDG, or the Millennium Development Goals, were a set of 8 global development targets adopted by the United Nations in 2000 and pursued by all member states through 2015. They aim to address extreme poverty, inequality, and social challenges worldwide. The MDGs represent one of the most coordinated international efforts to improve human development, focusing on measurable outcomes and time-bound commitments. Millennium Development Goal number 1 aimed to eradicate aimed to eradicate extreme and poverty and hunger between 2000 and 2015. It focused on improving the economic conditions, food security, and overall well-being of the world's and overall and poorest population. This goal was central to all MDGs because poverty reduction creates the foundation for progress in health, education, and gender equality. Millennium Development Goal number 2 aimed to ensure that all boys and girls around the world could completely use a full course of primary schooling by the year 2015. Education was seen as a foundation for human development, economic progress, and the reduction of poverty by improving literacy and learning opportunities. MDG number 2 help empower individuals, strengthen communities, and open pathways toward the better health, employment, and equality. Millennium Development Goal number 3 focus on promoting gender equality and empowering women by addressing disparities in education, employment, and political participation. Gender equality is essential for social and economic development because when women and girls have equal opportunities, communities become healthier, economics grow faster, and societies become more stable and inclusive. MDG number 3 placed strong emphasis on removing barriers that prevented women from accessing education and fully participating in the workforce and governance.
Millennium Development Goal number 4. Reduce child mortality. So what is child mortality? Child mortality means the death of children below 5 years old. Many of these deaths happen because of preventable causes such as sickness, poor nutrition, and lack of medical care. Why is reducing child mortality important? Children are the future of society. Many child deaths can be prevented with simple medical care. High child mortality shows that a country has poor health services and living conditions. Ways to reduce child mortality. Child mortality can be reduced through the following actions. 1. Vaccination or immunization. Vaccines protect children from deadly diseases like measles and polio. Number 2. Good nutrition. Proper food helps children grow strong and fight diseases. Number 3. Clean water and proper hygiene. Clean water and hand washing prevent diarrhea and infections. So in conclusion, reducing child mortality means saving lives of children, especially those under 5 years old, from preventable diseases and poor living conditions. Many children die because of sickness, lack of clean water, malnutrition, and poor access to healthcare. With proper healthcare, vaccination, clean environment, and good nutrition, many child deaths can be prevented. Millennium Development Goal number 5. Improve maternal health. So what is maternal health? Maternal health refers to the health of women during pregnancy, childbirth, and after giving birth. A healthy mother means a better chance for a healthy baby. Why is improving maternal health important? A mother's health directly affects the life and health of her baby. Many mothers still die due to complications during pregnancy and delivery. Most maternal deaths are preventable with proper medical care. Healthy mothers help build strong families and communities. Here are ways to improve maternal health. Number 1. Regular prenatal checkups. Pregnant women should visit health centers to monitor their baby and the mother's health. Number 2. Skilled health workers during childbirth. Having a trained doctor, nurse, or midwife during delivery saves lives. Number 3. Proper nutrition. Pregnant women need healthy food, iron, and vitamins to stay strong. So in conclusion, improving maternal health means keeping mothers safe and healthy during pregnancy, childbirth, and after giving birth. Many mothers still die because of heavy bleeding, infections, and lack of medical care. Regular checkups, proper nutrition, safe delivery, and access to hospitals can greatly reduce these deaths. Millennium Development Goal number 6. Combat HIV or AIDS, malaria, and other diseases. So what does combat HIV or AIDS, malaria, and other diseases mean? To combat HIV or AIDS, malaria, and other diseases mean to prevent, control, and treat these deadly illnesses so fewer people get sick and die from them. Why is this important? These diseases cause millions of deaths every year, especially in poor countries. They greatly affect children, pregnant women, and working adults. Many of these diseases are preventable and treatable when people have access to proper health care. Fighting these diseases can help improve life expectancy and quality of life. So in conclusion, combating HIV, AIDS, malaria, and other diseases mean preventing their spread and giving proper treatment to those who are sick. These diseases affect millions of people, especially in poor communities with limited healthcare. Through education, early testing, clean surroundings, vaccination, and access to medicine, these diseases can be controlled and can save many lives. Next reporter.
Ensure environmental sustainability. Focuses on protecting the environment by promoting the use of sustainable and renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. These clean energy options help reduce the dependence on non-renewable resources and less environmental damage. Ensuring environmental sustainability also leads to cleaner air, healthier communities, and more opportunities in green jobs. Next. Global Partnership for Development. This one highlights the importance of cooperating among countries and international organizations. Groups like United Nations, World Health Organization, and World Bank work together to support developing nations through fair trade, debt relief, and financial assistance. This partnership help reduce poverty, improve access to education, help service affordable medicine and technology. Global partnership strengthens nations and endures equal opportunity to develop worldwide. Okay na?
So here are the questions regarding our lesson for lesson 1, health. So number 1 is opinionized. Uh you can state your own answer with your own words with number 1. Why is global health important? Number 2, give at least 3 Millennium Development Goals. Number 3, how do we ensure environmental sustainability? A. Improve housing conditions. B. Improve access to affordable medicine. C. Eat healthier. Or letter D. Initiate cleaning programs in order to keep the environment clean and stable. Number 4. How to improve maternal health. A. Strengthen nutrition programs for children and infants. B. Donate to programs made to reduce poverty and hunger. C. Improve and proper nutrition of mothers. Or letter D. None of the above. Number 5. What are some of the key suggestions to eradicate poverty and hunger? A. Education. B. More jobs. C. Invested more in agriculture. Or letter D. All of the above. Thank you for listening.